I thought I'd follow up a little more with my rambling Desmos demonstration. One of the most useful tools is putting limits on your function. So for instance, I am going to try and create a smile here. So we're going to make a straight top lip and kind of a rounded lower lip here. We'll start with the bottom. We'll go ahead and create a half circle. I'm going to put sliders in here so that I can kind of move it around as I want. Let me do that real quick. Plus y minus b, and we'll square that, and we'll have that equal. I'll call it r for the radius. And we'll position this thing. We'll make it there. We'll make it a little bit bigger. And we'll see if we can make a smile out of this thing. Maybe we'll even make this thing, this whole thing divided by 4, and we'll make more of an ellipse out of it. So let's make a smile out of this guy. Let's move it over a little so we can see it. All right, now we're going to limit this a little bit. We're going to only use the part of this that is below where y equals 0.5. So first of all, let me center this thing right on the x-axis. We're going to want to make this 0. And let's see, y equals 1 we'll use. So we will limit this thing by using this kind of bracket. You can use it on the keyboard, you can find it here. I only want to use it where y is less than 1. So I'm only using that part of my function. Everything that was below 1 on the y-axis is still being graphed. Now I'm going to put the top to it. Put y equals 1. You'll see a line go straight across. But I'll limit this too. I'll limit it from negative 4.5 to positive 4.5. So I will tell this I only want it to be where y is greater than or equal to negative 4.5, and I can grab my symbols out of here, y, and less than or equal to 4.5. So now I have got, no, x, sorry, this has to be an x. So now I've only got that part of the line in there. I can actually open this up a little bit to make it look like it should. Maybe we'll even make that 5.1, 5.1. And now we've got something that looks, I can even fill that in by telling this I want it to be, let's see what this does to it. Fill it in a little bit. So now I've got what I guess I'm meant to make a smile. It looks more like a piece of watermelon. But anyway, you can see how limiting where the function is graphed will give you pieces of shapes, and sometimes pieces of shapes are more useful. This is going to fill in too much. Yeah, that's going to fill in too much territory. Pieces of shapes are more useful than entire shapes sometimes. So think about using these limitations in order to create things that are not entire functions. All right, thanks.